Hello techies. Welcome to this wonderful episode from Techie Spot. In this video, we present to you the 6 coolest room gadgets that are worth buying. But before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, let's get down to it. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. Govee LED strip lights. LED strip lights are getting popular these days for home lighting, because they are brighter, energy efficient, long-lasting, and easy to install and control. The Govee LED strip lights come in color-changing format, and a dual control of the lights with a remote control. The control box contains single switches for on and off, and can be used to adjust the colors and brightness of the lights as well. But that's not all. Govee Wi-Fi LED strip light works with Alexa and Google Assistant now. It uses simple conversation starters to turn your lights on and off, make them brighter, and swap them to your favorite color. It's also currently compatible with Echo and Google Home. Also, this LED light can activate by music beats, and get perfect work for parties and events decorations, such as Christmas, Valentine, birthdays, weddings, and New Year. By simply downloading the Govee app, you can create your smart home right now. Cocobulbs. Picture a setting where you would like to create an atmospheric effect. A Cocobulb can instantly enchant an area with the press of a button. Cocobulb is a unique coconut light, the only portable and rechargeable coconut light in the world. Each coconut is individually selected, patterns are designed by hand, drilled and engraved with passion and care. Cocobulb is the ultimate party light to bring to a festival, blasting photonic particles with a psychedelic effect. Create a starry night sky in your bedroom, or a beautiful lit mandala for your yoga practice in the background. Bring it outdoors as a garden lantern, creating an enchanting vibe, or add some magic to your camping trips. Go get yours now. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Sunset Night LED lamps. The Sunset Night LED lamps are the first of its kind. These rainbow sunset floor lamp allows you to have a romantic modern bedroom, textured living atmosphere, a warm and pleasant living room for you and your family, and a quality of life. Bring happiness to your family and children. If you're dreaming of having a romantic modern home, then this floor lamp is a must-have for you. The lamp head can be rotated 90 degrees, and it produces different lights from different angles, so as to bring different effects to your room. Rotating the light can adjust the size and shape of the halo. The greater the distance, the greater the projection that the sunset light can throw on the wall or ceiling. The light casts amazing colored circular lights on the wall, ceiling, and floor, letting you enjoy the romantic moment with your beloved or favorite person. So, what are you waiting for? Go get this gadget right now. CarLumin. CarLumin is the first of its kind waterproof, sound-sensitive, remote control, and flexible LED car interior light that makes the interior of your car vibrant. It brightens up the interior of your car, and rhymes with the music being played through its high-tech sound sensors. It comes with a remote control, which can be used to select whatever colors you might want, and also set it to multicolor, or adjust the brightness of the light, make it fade a little, or adjust the sensitivity of the sound sensor. This will be the coolest, most unique, and beautiful gadget you'll ever have in your car. You and everyone around you, or anyone you give a ride, would absolutely love it. If you have viewed to this extent, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss any of our latest tech gadgets. Foxanon Touch Sensor Bedside LED Light. This is a touch-sensitive LED light that can be used as multifunctional lamp, bedside lamp, night lamp, or eye-safe desk lamp. It's easy to use, and it's suitable for baby room, office, bedroom, living room, and so on. It has an adjustable warm light, and it's touch-sensitive. Just touch the color bar at the top to change the color as you want. This gadget also comes with a remote. You can use the remote to control its brightness and sensitivity as you want. This is the best gift for parents, friends, babies and toddlers. Go get yours now. Rocket lamp. Explore the universe, explore the unknown, commemorate the spirit of human exploration. This newly designed rocket lights combined with 3D printing technology, add fun to your lighting decoration. The Space Shuttle rocket lamp can be used for home decoration lamp light, for lovers, kids, birthday, party, Christmas, and so on. Not only can this rocket lamp be used as a night light, but it can also be used as an ideal gift, or decoration lamp. It's easy to charge with USB cable, and can last longer on full charge. Transform your home into a cinematic space center. Get this gadget now. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video.